On Christmas Eve, an autonomous spacecraft flew past the Sun, closer than any human-made object before it. NASA's Parker Solar Probe was on a mission to discover more about the Sun and its effects on space weather at Earth. This landmark moment for humanity had no human directly involved, as the spacecraft carried out its pre-programmed tasks by itself. Robotic probes have been sent across the solar system for the last 6 decades, reaching destinations impossible for humans. During its 10-day flyby, the Parker Solar Probe experienced temperatures of 1000 C. The success of these autonomous spacecraft raises the question of what role humans might play in future space exploration. Some scientists question whether human astronauts are going to be needed at all. Lord Martin Rees, the UK's Astronomer Royal, believes robots are developing fast, making the case for sending humans weaker. He argues that taxpayers' money should not be used to send humans into space due to the risks involved. Andrew Coates, a physicist from University College London, prefers robotics for serious space exploration. Robots are cheaper and, as AI progresses, they can become even more capable. But what does this mean for future generations of budding astronauts? Robotic spacecraft have visited every planet in the solar system, but humans have only gone to Earth's orbit and the Moon. About 700 people have been to space since Yuri Gagarin became the first cosmic explorer in 1961. Humans carry out research and experiments in Earth's orbit, advancing science in ways robots cannot. However, robots can travel to inhospitable locations and use instruments to study atmospheres and surfaces. Dr. Kelly Weinersmith notes that humans are versatile but expensive to keep alive in space. AI assistants and humanoid robots can complement human space travel by automating tedious tasks. NASA's Valkyrie humanoid robot and Robonaut have shown how robots can perform complex tasks in space. Despite their capabilities, robots cannot inspire people back on Earth in the same way humans can. The future of space exploration may involve a blend of human and robotic efforts.